You know what's wild? People will spend hours researching the next big stock, but won't spend 10 minutes fixing the financial leaks, quietly draining their money every single day. It's like trying to build wealth while your bank account is bleeding in the background and just hoping it somehow works out. And honestly, that's exactly why most people feel stuck financially. I'm Leo, and welcome to Leo Invests. Here, I spend a lot of time mastering personal finance, managing money the right way, investing wisely, and building real financial freedom. If you want to level up your financial future, hit the like button, subscribe, and join me on this journey. Let me hit you with something that might surprise you. A huge number of people don't even have enough savings to cover a basic emergency. Not a major crisis, just something like a car repair or a medical bill. And yet, those same people are asking, should I invest in stocks? Is crypto still a good idea? That's like trying to upgrade your house while the roof is leaking. It doesn't matter how good your investments are. If your foundation is broken, you're not building wealth, you're just delaying problems. And here's the truth most people ignore. There's a right order to building wealth. And if you get that order wrong, you can lose thousands, sometimes even years of financial progress. So let's break this down in a simple way. First, build your safety net. Before you invest a single dollar, you need an emergency fund. I know, it's not exciting. There's no hype, no big returns, no get rich energy. But this is what keeps everything else from falling apart. Because life will happen. Your car breaks down, you lose your job, something unexpected hits. And without a safety net, you're forced into bad decisions like taking on debt or selling investments at the worst possible time. Start simple. First goal, $1,000. Then build toward 1 month of expenses. Eventually, aim for 3 to 6 months. This isn't just about money, it's about peace of mind. And that peace, it completely changes how you make decisions. Next, eliminate high interest debt. Now, here's where a lot of people mess up. They start investing while carrying credit card debt. That makes zero sense. If your debt is charging you 20% interest, that's not just a bill, that's a guaranteed loss every month. Meanwhile, the stock market might give you around 7 to 10% on average. So, what are you really doing? You're earning 8% while losing 20%. That's not investing, that's going backwards. So, here's the move: list all your debts, focus on the highest interest first, pay minimums on everything else, then attack the worst one aggressively. Every dollar you use to pay off that debt is like earning a guaranteed return. No risk, no volatility, just progress. Then, don't ignore free money. If your job offers a retirement match, you take it, no excuses, because this is the closest thing you'll ever get to free money. If your employer says, we'll match your contributions, that's an instant return on your investment, sometimes 50%, sometimes even 100%. Nothing in the market can guarantee that. So even if you still have some debt, you contribute just enough to get the full match, then go right back to crushing that debt. It's a simple move, but it makes a massive difference over time. After that, use tax advantage accounts. Once your foundation is solid, now you start playing smarter, not harder. Most people jump straight into regular investment accounts. Big mistake, because they ignore something that can quietly cost them tens of thousands over time: taxes. This is where accounts like IRAs come in. They give you more control, lower fees, better long-term efficiency. Instead of your money getting chipped away every year, it gets to grow more efficiently. And over decades, that difference becomes huge. Now let's talk about something almost nobody takes seriously, but should: health savings accounts. This might be the most powerful and most overlooked tool in personal finance. Why? Because it gives you triple tax advantages. You save on taxes when you put money in, your money grows tax-free, and you can withdraw it tax-free for medical expenses. That's rare, very rare. And here's the strategy most people miss. If you can afford it, don't touch that money. Let it grow. Pay for smaller medical expenses out of pocket. Keep your receipts, and let that account build over time like a hidden investment engine. At this point, you're already ahead of most people. Now you go back and increase your retirement contributions. This is where consistency wins. You're not chasing hype. You're not trying to time the market. You're just steadily building wealth month after month. And this is where real financial independence starts to take shape. And only now you invest freely. This is where you can explore stocks, ETFs, crypto, whatever fits your strategy. But now you're doing it from a position of strength, not desperation. And that changes everything. Because you're not relying on these investments to save you, you're using them to accelerate what you've already built. Most people don't fail because they don't invest. They fail because they invest in the wrong order. They chase excitement and ignore the fundamentals. But the truth is, wealth isn't built by doing flashy things. It's built by doing the right things in the right order consistently. So if you follow this sequence, you're not just investing. You're building a system that works for you long term. And trust me, your future self will thank you for it. If this video helped you see money differently, make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around. Because on this channel, we're not chasing quick wins. We're building real financial freedom. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.